In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get clothes in Animal Crossing New Horizons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order for you to purchase a lot of different types of clothing in Animal Crossing New Horizons, the main way is going to be through the Able Sisters. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can unlock the Tailor Shop, the Able Sisters. Keep in mind that there are other ways to acquire clothing, mainly through DIY recipes and the Nook Stop, but this is going to be the most convenient one. So, in New Horizons, the Able Sisters shop will not be present right away. It must be built. So, after Nook's Cranny is built, you will encounter Timmy and Tommy speaking with Mabel. So, she will be talking about selling her wares on the island. So, Mabel will appear in the resident services plaza and sell a small section of clothing. So if you speak to her initially, you will have a small selection of items. If you purchase at least one item throughout 2 visits, so you need to purchase one item throughout 2 visits, on Mabel's next visit, she will reveal that she and Sable have decided to open a shop on the island. So after this is done, you can place the plot for the shop. It is going to be 5 by 4 tiles anywhere on the island that you see fit. The shop will open 2 days after the plot is placed. So purchase items on 2 distinct visits from Mabel and then place down the plot. After it is done, the Able Sisters Tailor Shop will open, and in here you will have a much bigger variety of items that you can purchase. You can use the changing room to try them out. You will see the price displayed here. You can see the variety that they offer, and you can select all of them to purchase. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.